I don't understand it.
Where is it? I can't find anything. Hey, long time. Still buried in manuals, I see.
Let me guess. You upgraded to AI.
Well, why don't your users just ask instead of searching?
Ask who? My users have 847 pages to dig through.
Ask me. I have an AI assistant.
Oh, please. Another chatbot that sends them to page 412?
Nope. Ask BME actually answers in plain language.
Sure. Please refer to Module 6, Section 3.2, Subsection B.
How do I create a batch? Boom! Step-by-step guidance, right there. Wait, no manual searching? None.
What about building a quality checklist? Just ask, instant answers. But I have a search bar.
That returns 247 results?
Yes.
Users need AI now.
Natural language, real guidance.
And here I am with my 847-page manual.
Maybe it's time to retire? Maybe it is.
AI-powered BatchMaster ERP, because manuals are history.
Built for what's next. Ask BME, inside BatchMaster ERP.